Defending champions Fraser's Whip and Cavalier are set for a repeat meeting of last season's final in the Jamaica Women's Premier League as they head into their return leg semi-finals this Saturday with the advantage. Christopher Scott reports.
Arnett Gardens will have a mountain to climb, trailing 4-0 after their first leg encounter against Cavalier. Playing in the return leg curtain raiser at the Constant Spring Field, head coach of Arnett Gardens, Garnet Lawrence, believes the team can turn it around.
We've bounced back. We've got a beat like this in the first round of the game. So we know how it's felt. What we want to do now is try and inflict some pain.
Cavalier head coach Aberdeen Scarlett had high praises for his captain and already has his sights set on the team doing one better in the final.
She's been with me since 2018. She's just exceptional and she plays with heart. And she said, Coach, this year we want to win. We want to win this for you. And I trust that the players will do what is expected of them and, get us over the hump.
In the late game, the unbeaten Fraser's Whip lead the tie 3-0 against the Los Perfectos. Head coach at Fraser's Whip, Courtney Dowdy, knows they can't get complacent.
We stuck to the game plan. The plan was to see how best we could stretch the Los Perfectos team, because we know that once they come to play Fraser's, they're going to try to block the middle, and that's what they did. So I think in the first 15 minutes, we kind of stretched them a little bit, and we got them winded early out, because in the second half, they were really tired.
This game is scheduled for 7 p.m. The final is set for August 9 at Jamaica College. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.